Oh, guys. G'day guys, how are we going? Well, dim sims when you're out there camping, feeding them. I've cooked them up a few times now, and I've cooked them up, I've cut them in half and just chucked them in my cast iron fry pan and fried them up that way, and they are amazing that way as well. And then the other way I've done them up, there's the usual way where you get them steamed up just like you do at the fish and chip shop, chucked them in my billy and steamed them up, bit of sauce on them, and they are wicked as well. But I'm yet to try them in my trusty little round JAFFLE line. So that's how I'm going to cook them up today. But before the dimmies go in there, I'm going to put these in my billy down there, steam them up, then they'll go in my JAFFLE line. Let's get into that, I reckon. Can't wait for lunch. It's going to be a cracker. Righto, I'll steam my dimmies up first, then we're going to chuck them in JAFFLE line. How good's this going to be? Something a bit different. Oh, dimmies, they're just great. Right, let's get them in. It's not too bad. Righto. Oh. Steam them up for a little while. Then we'll get on to the next stage of cooking these dimmies up for lunch. Good old JAFFLE line dimmies coming right up. Righto, let's have a test and see how soft they are. Oh, they're perfect. Nice and soft. All four of them there. Look at that. Sensational. Lunch coming up. Get them into here. Go back over my table. Get them into that JAFFLE line and get them back on the fire. I don't know what you call these. Fried dimmies or whatever you call them in the JAFFLE line. It's going to be cracking no matter however you call it. We'll just leave that sit there for a bit. Let's go and get this JAFFLE line going. Righto, let's get them going in this JAFFLE line. But before I chuck them in there, I don't know, they might stick a little bit. Just going to put just a little bit of oil in here. Just give them all a bit of a rub around in that. Give them all a swirsh around in the oil. And hopefully they won't go stick in my JAFFLE line when it's time to get them out. Oh, look at that. Sensational. Righto, let's get this going. Good old round JAFFLE line, have a go at it. One in there. Get one more in there, I reckon. Just push him up a bit. Get one at the back here. Put the open in, we'll put them back inside. There we go. Now got something for it to squish down on top of. Making this up as we go. Oh, look at that. Lunch down on the fire. Oh, put the lid back on in case that sneaky magpie comes and pinches me last one. Alright, straight in the hot coals and heat him up. Just another way of ticking off. Now I've gone and cooked dimmies. Mighty campfire. Went out camping. Straight in the old round JAFFLE line. Let's see how these go. The other ways, they're just as damn good too. Don't worry about that. Just straight old steam ones like they come out of there. We'll cut them in half, chuck in the fry pan. They are wicked do. But I'm tipping these are going to be just as wicked as those other couple of methods. Give it a bit, get them browned up, and we'll get into it. Righto, let's have a check of that side, see how that's going. Oh, have a look at that. Beautiful. One side down. Let's get the other side done. Smells alright too, I've got to tell you. Smells damn good. Next side coming up, and that'll be lunch. Cracking. Let's have a check, see if my lunch is ready for a bit of oyster sauce to go on me dimmies. Let's have a look at these. Have a crack at that. Magnificent, I reckon. Only one thing left to do now. Hook into them. Got to get myself a seat. Put that back on there for a minute. Oh. Bit of a bush seat. Here we go. Let's have a crack at these. Oh, have a look at them. They are sensational, I've got to say. Oh, I'm a bit partial to oyster sauce. Been putting oyster sauce on damn well everything these days. So I'm going to use a bit of that too. Takes a little bit to come out though. There we go. You can put soy sauce, barbecue sauce, whatever sauce takes your fancy, tomato sauce, whatever. Let's have a go at these. Oh guys, they are magic and crunchy. That is the trick. Chuck them in the steamer first before you go and put them in your JAFFLE. Oh, they are sensational. Oh. Right, dimmies. JAFFLE, campfire. Doesn't get finicky much better than that. Well, there you go, guys. I'm going to hook in the last few of these. I'll let me get that last one going in a minute. Dimmies. Oh, right here on the mighty Harker River. Sensational.